Oh, what the fuck are you doing? Holy shit, you could have went.
The specific gear I had, like, because if you have multiple backpacks and you store your bear spray in different places, then you may not have that muscle memory to get it out and deploy, because I had about like 3 to 4 seconds from one side to the other.
Really? What the? Yeah, the guy behind you goes.
So, yeah, there's a lot of circumstances that went really right for me. And it kind of started off with like the same kind of deal that you've had, where I'd never really heard of Temu before. I think my wife had ordered something from them once, and was like, hey,
but I'm streams, but I'm dumb with a big umbrella when it's not even raining out. Weird.
Those shows that women watch in our 40s, you know those shows?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
The director's commentary, because you have to like the movie so much that you don't even need to watch this next iteration of it and hear somebody just talk through it.
Nope.
Nice. That was, well, you've also seen it that way.
Nice cutoff.
In detachment. Looking at the street in this way, the viewer makes sense and at least a minimum amount of order from the intimate view. But only
you're kind of a little suicidal today.
As a deplorable mishmash. Better dismissed partial influence of the park's design upon the park's use depends in turn on who is around to use the park and when.
Red light run, red light run. National Grid ran the red lights. And they're a sucky electric company too, by the way. Bad, stop it.
Want to experience a summer when the Yankees are riding high.
Really?
And the Mets.
Oh boy. Yeah. That's what happens when you try to pass when it's lined the wrong way.
You're going to be able to have watchers.
Let's hope there's a party at the mall, which well, there already isn't, and he's going to go straight from the left turn lane. And kind of sort of nice cutoff. Yeah. Again, that sneaks up on people. If you're from out of town, you don't. Although it said Auburn Party Supply, so we're in Auburn. It's like, I highly doubt this is your first time over here. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Clear results. Results may vary.
Or cough. Tell your doctor if you had it.
We care about your success.
Why are you sitting there, dude? You can go.
With the Camaro, the Challenger, they had the AMX, other cars, the Firebird. But by the time they showed up, there were like a million-ish used Mustangs available. So
motion me to go ahead with a car coming
used quicker and harder.
Like you're an idiot.
Mustang is going on like gangbusters. It's really the only car that Ford still sells. What about a factory?
Is that the next big thing? Maybe a car SUV that you'd like to see revive?
Don't stop.
You saw Rivian came out with some really fetching.
Every single new shopper in, I think that a lot of people are looking for
red light run, red light run, red light run. Red light run, red light run. You are not the man because you ran the red light. Nice cutoff.
I understand you sending the message, and everyone thought he called the team terrible when he was really supposedly now.
Whoa, what the hell is going on over there? That's a no turn on red. Like, the blue car didn't do anything wrong. Oh, wait. Wait, that would be green over there. It's too early for me, and by early I mean, yeah, it's like 11 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock now. It's like I should be awake, but I'm not. Shut up!
About this story, and I'm going to have to read parts of the story. It's from NBC News. Rudy Giuliani is served indictment papers at his own birthday party after mocking Arizona Attorney General.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Red light run, red light run, red light run, Nissan drivers. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? What are you stopping for? Come on. No stop because Prius.
I've always felt what they should do.
What are you turning left from there? You're an idiot.
And have
Red light run, red light run, red light run in paradise. It's just another red light running day in paradise.
Hey, everybody.
Nice, no stop. Really? No stop. Because, yeah, this is, again, the dumbest stop sign in all of Ithaca, because that's not really a street over there, but whatever. You still gotta stop. The sign's there. I didn't make up the rules, I'm sorry. This is dumb. I know. No stop! No stop!
Onion on all the people who kept on trying to protest at these things. Almost every time, you start to see a lot of projection. And every time somebody who is revealed is never a drag queen.
The other thing that they don't tell you is that when there is a drag queen, I don't know if you know this, but this is like, when there's a drag queen story out in your town, you have to attend with your kids. You're required to by law. Either that's true, or you could just not go to the thing.